Okay, it is Friday afternoon, about 2 o'clock. Had some parts come in today. We ordered a rebuild kit for the Pioneer SX-1000TW that I've got sitting here. We ordered a rebuild kit from HiFiAudio.com. Just kind of thumbing through the kit. Everything seems to be, decent quality type stuff in there. So, yeah, this will be interesting. And, I'll take you guys with me on the run through this as we go through and rebuild this thing. And if you guys aren't familiar with the story on this thing had a beer spilled on it at a party back in the day, and she shorted out power supply, took a really bad hit. Yeah, it's man, I started testing the power supply and was just one bad device after another. It's like I ended up with a big old pile of stuff as I was taking bad parts out of it, and it's like the whole board was just wiped. I quit counting, I quit testing, I quit, it's just like, okay, she's going to get a rebuild. So I just stopped where I was at and ordered a whole rebuild kit, because I'm sure most of everything in here is going to be shorted out anyways. And so anyway, yeah, hence the kit. HiFiAudio.com had an ad on eBay. And so I went ahead and thought, yeah, we'll go ahead and try the eBay kit. It's from HiFiAudio.com. It's not just some random person throwing together a kit. So I'm curious, what the quality of the kit will be. So this was the nicest kit on eBay I could find, and I think it was the most expensive as well. But so yeah, anyway, we'll see how that all turns out. When you do these pre-built kits, you usually run into a few little niggles here and there. So we'll just have to see, what happens. We'll cross the bridges as we come to them. But like I said, this thing's gonna get rebuilt, and hopefully, once this is all done, this thing is gonna fly right. I just, it's one of these unknown things. It just makes me a little bit nervous with liquid incursion and stuff. The power supply was wiped. I'm questionable on the power transformer, and just I'll feel better once I get a power supply rebuilt, and I can start doing a little bit of testing in this and make sure that we're not looking at having to replace a power transformer in this thing too, because that'll be a bummer. If that happens, it's going to push probably the cost of the rebuild on this too high. But yeah, anyway, we'll see what we get with this. This isn't a big dollar receiver, so we're trying not to get the owner sunk on this. I hate it when people spend way more money on an item than it's ever gonna be worth. So I always try to do the most and the best that I can for them in the least amount of money. But anyway, we'll see how this thing turns out. Like I said, it's Friday, it's late afternoon. I'm not going to get any work done. I just wanted to do a quick video and let everybody know, yeah, parts are arrived. So be watching for some updates on this in the coming days. We'll start getting going on getting her done, and then I'm still working on the retrofit of a 12-volt motor now into the AR turntable. I just did a separate quick little video on that here a couple of minutes ago. So yeah, so I'll have a couple of channel updates for you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the comment. I hope you guys enjoy the content, not the comment. But anyway, smash the like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to get this channel to grow, and we need some more subscribers. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope I'm not too stupid and too boring for you guys. I just kind of chronicle what I do, on a daily basis. So, everybody does things in a different manner. And yeah, I just enjoy what I do. So, yeah, and if you guys want to follow along and keep me company, that's great too. So, anyway, I'll check you guys out on the next one. Everyone have a good weekend. Ciao.